Hey there, beautiful souls! Have you ever noticed a student quietly lost in thought, only to surprise everyone with a brilliant insight when they finally speak? That's the INTP, a personality type known for their deep curiosity and analytical mind. Let's discover the magical secrets of your personality that will amaze you. In school, they approach learning with a unique perspective, always questioning, exploring, and seeking to understand the bigger picture. Their love for discovery sets them apart, making their learning style both fascinating and, at times, challenging to navigate in traditional environments. INTPs are natural learners who thrive when they have the freedom to explore topics on their own terms. Driven by an insatiable curiosity, they don't just want to know the what, but, more importantly, the why behind everything. For them, learning is not about memorizing facts or following step-by-step instructions. It's about uncovering the principles and systems that make the world tick. They flourish in environments that encourage independent study and self-paced learning, where they can immerse themselves deeply in subjects that fascinate them. This exploratory approach often makes INTPs highly innovative and insightful thinkers, capable of discovering connections others might miss. In the classroom, INTPs bring a host of strengths that make them stand out. One of their greatest assets is their ability to think critically and tackle complex problems. They excel in subjects like math, science, and philosophy, where abstract thinking and logic are essential. But their creativity also shines, allowing them to connect seemingly unrelated ideas and present unique solutions. In group discussions, INTPs often challenge conventional thinking, sparking deeper conversations and inspiring their peers to consider new perspectives. Their intellectual curiosity and ability to approach topics from unconventional angles make them an asset in any academic setting. However, like any personality type, INTPs face their share of challenges in school. Traditional learning environments, with their rigid structures and repetitive tasks, can feel stifling for these independent thinkers. Deadlines and fixed schedules may also seem restrictive, as INTPs prefer to work at their own pace, diving deeply into the topics that capture their attention. When creativity isn't required, they can struggle to stay motivated, finding routine assignments dull or uninspiring. These challenges can sometimes lead to missed deadlines or incomplete tasks, not because they lack ability, but because their minds are often drawn to exploring more engaging ideas. To overcome these hurdles, INTPs can benefit from practical strategies that help them balance their natural learning style with the demands of structured education. Tools like planners or digital reminders can help them stay organized and meet deadlines. Breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps allows them to maintain focus and avoid feeling overwhelmed. By creating a system that works for their unique needs, INTPs can navigate the structure of school while still nurturing their curiosity and creativity. For teachers and peers, offering flexibility and recognizing their need for intellectual freedom can go a long way in helping INTPs succeed. INTPs bring a distinctive energy to the classroom. Their curiosity and analytical thinking set them apart, making them invaluable contributors to discussions, projects, and problem-solving activities. While the rigidity of traditional school settings may pose challenges, their strengths in creativity, critical thinking, and independent learning more than compensate. By understanding their unique approach and supporting them with the right tools and strategies, INTPs can thrive in academics and beyond. For INTPs, it's about embracing their natural curiosity and using it as a driving force to achieve their goals. For everyone else, it's about appreciating the value they bring and creating an environment where their potential can truly shine. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to catch more videos about personality types, emotional intelligence, and personal growth. I've got tons more fascinating topics coming up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the depths of personality psychology. Until next time, keep embracing your emotional superpowers. See you in the next video.